Okay, don't worry, Isa. Now look in this question. First we take the common factor. Common factor 12 and 27 में कॉमन आ रहा है. आपको ये तो मालूम चल जाएगा कुछ कॉमन आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा. ये तो भाई देखने से मालूम चलेगा कि इफ देयर इज कॉमन. 3 कॉमन आ रहा है. ओके 3 कॉमन आ रहा है तो 3 कॉमन लेना है सबसे पहले. अब अंदर बचेगा 4x². यहाँ पे 3 कॉमन 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 9y². अब आप देखो ये स्क्वायर वाली सीरीज आ गई. स्क्वायर a² माइनस b². बट इसका स्क्वायर कहाँ दिख रहा 4 का. तो हम 4 को 2 का स्क्वायर कन्वर्ट कर देंगे और 9 को 3 का स्क्वायर. बिकॉज हमें स्क्वायर 30 तक याद होने चाहिए, अदरवाइज इट विल क्रिएट ए प्रॉब्लम. अब आप देखो ये दोनों का स्क्वायर हो गया. मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है ना सिंगल टर्म में. सिंगल टर्म में स्क्वायर बाहर आ सकता है. सिंगल टर्म में हाँ ये स्क्वायर बन गया. आफ्टर स्क्वायर स्क्वायर बन गया ना. अब आप देखो a+b a-b फॉर a+b बन गया. a+b a-b आइडेंटिटी. ठीक है ये आपके 2 आइडेंटिटी हो गई. तो आपने देखा ये 3 से इंटू करने से आपका सब कुछ चेंज हो गया. सब कुछ चेंज हो गया. ओनली मल्टीप्लाई बाय 3 से आपका बहुत कुछ ऑर्डर चेंज हो गया है. इज इट क्लियर? सो आपके a² माइनस b² का आइडेंटिटी को थोड़ा सा वो रोटेट करा देंगे. उसमें क्विकली आपके थोड़ा सा डिसीजन लेना होगा आपको. ठीक है आपको जरूरी नहीं है 3 की जगह 7 से भी मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं. तो आपको फर्स्ट यू हैव टू गो टेक द कॉमन. कॉमन आपको बाहर लेना है. सो हमारे आइडेंटिटी ओनली 3 है इस चैप्टर में. याद रखो इस चैप्टर में आइडेंटिटी 3 है. यस नाउ हु कैन गिव द आंसर x-1 इंटू x+1. what is the answer of x-1 into x+1? First tell the name. Before giving the answer tell the name. Tell the name and give the answer. Tell the name and give the answer. Yes tell the name. Yes first one. फर्स्ट वाले का आएगा x² - 1. Yes a plus b a minus b equal to a² minus b². Second one. First tell the name. Anyone can give the answer. 10 Stefan. हाँ tell the Stefan. x plus 2 x minus 2. x plus 2 into x minus 2. Bracket means multiply. There is the multiply sign. So what is x plus 2 x minus 2? What is the x plus 2 x minus 2? What is the x plus 2 x minus 2? मैं बताऊं क्या आंसर? Yes. x² minus 4. x² minus 4. Why we get 4? How we get 4? Because it is a plus b a minus b. So 2 square is 4. Now tell third one. Third one. Continue third one. X square whole square minus 4 square square. 4 square. Third one. What is the answer of third one? Now anyone can give the answer. First tell your name then give the answer. अपना नाम बता के आंसर दो बेटा. x square minus 4 square. This is the question. सर मैं बताऊं? Yes. मैं नहीं होता है. Tell your name first. हाँ. Spice. हाँ. Yes. x minus 2. Yes. फिर x plus 2. Yes. x square plus 4. So first step देखो a plus b a minus b. a plus b a minus b. Okay. First step. Now again we write here this 4 as 2 square. So this will again split into 2 bracket. ये 2 ब्रैकेट बनेगा a plus b a minus b. So x minus 2, x plus 2. And third bracket is same, x square plus 4. This is the answer. Stefan, I think, Prince, Faiz, I think you are right. You are right. So please pay attention. If there is any bracket or something, don't worry. The steps you have to taken. A स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर फॉर्मूला बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है इन तीनों में. नेक्स्ट, हम केवल इन फॉर्मूलों में अटक रहे हैं. टेल योर नेम, टेल योर नेम and send me message what is your problem on WhatsApp. Send me on WhatsApp what is your problem. So multiply. This is the question, multiply. Yes, Faiz, ask from anyone. Faiz, ask करो, पूछो. Kabir, there are three monomial. This is monomial, this is monomial, this is monomial. What is the multiply answer of these three monomial? इनको मल्टीप्लाई करना है. कबीर, ask from. हाँ, टेल द आंसर. आंसर बताओ. ये मल्टीप्लाई, ब्रैकेट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई. हमने ब्रैकेट लगा दिया, इसका मतलब इट मीन्स मल्टीप्लाई. आंसर बताओ कबीर. देखो, देर इज अ वेरी फेमस एक इडियम जैसा एक. टेल द आंसर.
15x y square z.
करेक्ट. इज इट करेक्ट? कबीर, करेक्ट लग रहा है? देखो, जीरो से जो टकराएगा जीरो हो जाएगा, जीरो से जो टकराएगा जीरो हो जाएगा. आप इतना सा भी ध्यान नहीं है तुम्हें. जीरो है ना यहाँ पे. रिमेंबर इट. जीरो एक बहुत बड़ा पावरफुल नंबर होता है. जीरो से मल्टीप्लाई होगा वो जीरो बन जाएगा. ठीक है, आपके ये जीरो का कहीं भी आ सकता है. अब 20x रेस्ट पावर 10, y रेस्ट पावर 20, z रेस्ट पावर 30, इसको मल्टीप्लाई करना है आपको. z रेस्ट पावर 30 है यहाँ पे. मल्टीप्लाई करना है 10x y z और इस पूरे का होल स्क्वायर. इससे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. कबीर, एक नाम बोलो, कौन बताएगा? कबीर, आस्क फ्रॉम एनीवन. कबीर, एनीवन से किसी एक का नाम बोलो, वो बताएगा. आदित्य, देर आर मोनोमियल, देर इज सेकेंड मोनोमियल. मल्टीप्लाई करना है. टेल द आंसर.
Yes sir. Give me 2 minutes.
2 मिनट्स का यहाँ पे मीटिंग खत्म हो जाएगा. डोंट वरी, नेक्स्ट मीटिंग में आना फिर. हाँ, नेक्स्ट कबीर, नेक्स्ट बच्चे से बोलो. आदित्य को तो टाइम लगेगा.
Sir, 5.
फाइज, फास्ट.
हाँ सर, बोल रहा हूँ.
नाउ लुक, देर इज मोनोमियल.
सर आ गया आंसर, आ गया.
टेल द आंसर. टेल द आंसर.
10x y z पावर 2. अरे नहीं सर.
नाउ मल्टीप्लाई.
बताओ.
डू फास्ट. This is 10 square. 10 square is what? 10 square is what number?
सर इसका आंसर आ गया. सर 2000 x की पावर 12, y की पावर 22, z की पावर 32.
Look, 10 square is 100. 100 into 20, 2000. 100 into 20, 2000. 5 ऐसे बोला करो.
2000.
x raised power 12. x is raised power 12.
x की पावर तो 12.
की मत बोलो, हिंदी नहीं बोलो.
y की पावर 22.
हिंदी नहीं बोलो बेटा. y raised power 22. z raised power 32. it's very easy. English is very easy, है ना. Try to avoid English Hindi word. X raised power 12, y raised power 22, z raised power 32. This one is correct. But you are taking time. You are taking initially time, but still you will make practice. And now come to cube root. Okay, I think we are now aware about minus 64 over 1331 cube root. Tell your name and tell the answer. Tell your name and then give the answer. Who will give the answer? First tell me your name. Tell me your name first. Who is giving the answer? Tell me your name. Solve. This square root sign with 3 is called cube root. Cube root of minus 64. So first of all, what we do, minus 64, we divide into prime factors. We write prime factors of 64. 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. प्राइम नंबर सबसे स्मॉल 2 डिवाइड कर रहा है यहाँ पे. सो 2 से डिवाइड करेंगे. ठीक है. कब तक करेंगे डिवाइड? तब तक when we get 1 in the end. So look the group of 3 के ग्रुप बनाएंगे. 3 का यहाँ पे ग्रुप बनेगा. So 2 group, we are making here 2 groups because there are total 6 2s. How many times of 2? 6. So 1 group of 3, 1 group of 3, and one minus sign is also there.
Minus 4 upon 11.
And in 1331 is the cube of 11. Remember it. Cubes you have to learn about till 20. So in the cube root, minus will come outside. In cube root, minus can come outside, and 1 2 come from here, 1 2 come from here. So 2 into 2 4, and 1 11 come from here because one group of 3 of 11. So minus 4 over 11 is the answer. Minus 4 upon 11 is the answer. Similar to this one. One more question we are here discussing. Similar to this one, cube root of, come to cube root of 1331 upon 4096. What is cube root of 1331 upon 4096? What is cube root of? What is cube root of 1331 upon 4096? Tell the cube root of 1331 upon 4096.
11 upon 16.
So yes, we have to remember till 20, cubes of till 1 to 20. So this is 4096, that is cubes of 16, and 1331 is cubes of 11. So one group of 3s gives us 111 and 116 in denominator. So 11 upon 16 is the answer in cube roots. What is the sign of cube? Look, cube roots, if x cube equal to a, suppose x cube has some value a, then what is x equal to? Can anyone give the answer? What is x value? If x cube equal to a, then what is value of x? Anyone can give the answer? If x cube equal to a, then what is x?
सर एक का क्यूब रूट हो जाएगा ना.
Yes, x equal to cube root of a. X equal to cube root of a. So what is meaning this? It means this power is becomes on other side 1 upon 3. This 3 becomes 1 upon 3, and 1 upon 3 power is written as, this is cube root. 1 upon 3 is called cube root. Power 1 upon 3 is called cube root. And cube root can be written either this way or this way. Both signs are correct for cube root. So cube root means 3, group of 3. Fourth root means group of 4. Now can you give the answer of 2197 over 9261 in cube root? Can you give the answer? Anyone can give the answer? Cube root of minus 2197 over 9261. I think all of you will take the time. All of you will take the time. Now in between, can you tell 1 cube? What is 1 cube? What is 1 cube?
1. Sir, 1.
What is minus 1 cube? Minus 1 cube?
1.
Minus 1 cube?
Minus 1.
Minus 1.
Minus 1. And what is 2 cube?
8.
Sir, wait.
8. What is minus 2 cube?
Minus 8.
Minus 8.
Minus 8. What is 0 cube?
0.
0. 0. What is 3 cube?
27. 27.
Sir, answer minus 13 upon 21 है.
Correct. Minus, this one is the cube of 13. This one is cube of 21. So this cube root sign cancels these 3 power and 1 minus comes outside. So minus 13 upon 21 is the answer. So what is cube of 4 cube?
64. 64.
What is cube of 5?
125.
125. What is cube of 6?
216.
216.
216. What is cube of 7?
343.
343. 343. What is cube of 8?
512.
512. What is cube of 9?
7 to 9. 7 to 9.
7 to 9.
729.
7.
What is cube of 11?
1331.
1331. What is cube of 12?
12.
Cube of 12? What is cube of 12?
1728.
Correct. So there are 1728. So this is the cube of 12 and this is the cube of 1. When we add 1728 and 1, we get 1729. What is called 1729 number? Yes. हार्डी रामानुजन नंबर. हार्डी रामानुजन नंबर. क्यों हार्डी रामानुज नंबर 1729 because it is the sum of 2 cubes. 12 cube and it is cube of 12 and as well as 1. So 1 cube, 12 cube and 1 cube is called Hardy Ramanujan number. Hardy Ramanujan number is 1729. Sometimes last year it was asked in the question. What is cube of 13?
2197.
2197. 14 cube?
2744.
Correct. Correct. 15 cube?
3375.
Correct. 16 cube? 4096. 17 cube? 4913. 18 cube?
5832.
5832. Correct. 19 cube? 6859. Correct. 20 cube?
6859.
Correct.
8000.
8000. Correct.
1000.
Yes. So if we remove this cube from 11, it will go other side and it becomes cube root. Cube root of 1331. So the cube root is nothing but it is reciprocal of cube. It is reciprocal of cube. So there is the word problem also in the cube root. Can you say cube root of 36 multiply
36 का
cube root of this is 384. Can you say the answer? Cube root of 36 multiply cube root of 384. Can you give the answer? Now look, in this type of question, first we write common. We take the cube root common of both in single bracket cube root. First we write in single cube root bracket. Okay. Now we see the prime number factor. So 2 into 2 into how many time we write? 36. So 36 is written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. This is the 36. And 384 is written as, this is 36 and this one is 384. So 384's factors we write down here. So what are 384's prime factor? First we divide by 2 1 time, 9 time, 2 time, then again divide by 2 9 time, 6 time, again divide by 2 48 time, again divide by 2 24 time, again divide by 2 12 time, divide by 2 6 time, divide by 2 3 time. So after getting the prime number we write here. So how many 2 is there? 1. There are 7 times 2. 7 times 2 in multiply, and 1 3 also is there. So out of these 2 we take the group. This is one group of 3, this is second group of 3, and there 2 is there. So how many 2 we write outside? So we write outside one group, and one group is here of 2, one group of 3 is here. This is the answer. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 3 is 24. Answer is 24. Is it clear? So cube root sometimes, cube root problem इस टाइप से भी आपके sometimes it is asked in exam. So it is nothing but we take the common, because we have the exponent formula हम लिखते हैं कई बार. How we write? A raised power m into b raised power m. This can be written as ab whole power m. Is it clear? So if m is here 1 by 3, if m is here 1 by 3, in that case we write here 1 by 3 as common power. So 1 by 3 means cube root. 1 by 3 power means cube root. Is it clear? 1 by 3 means cube root. Now can you say multiplicative inverse of 1 over 2? Multiplicative inverse of 1 over 2?
That 2 है answer.
2.
Yes, 2.
2.
Yes, correct, 2. So what we do? We write this denominator on the top and numerator we write in the bottom. So 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is multiplicative inverse. And what is multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 2? What is multiplicative inverse of minus 3 by 2?
Minus 2 upon 3.
Yes, one minus will stay there. Minus 2 by 3. Minus 2 by 3. Minus can be written in the top or in the bottom, anywhere we can. This one is also right. This one is also right. And this one is also right. All three are right. Okay. Now tell the additive inverse. A for additive, I for inverse. What is additive inverse of 1 by 2?
Minus 1 upon 2.
Minus 1 over 2. Minus 1 over 2. Only plus minus sign. Only plus minus sign change. What is additive inverse of minus 3 by 2?
Minus 3 by 2. 5 plus.
Plus 3 by 2. Plus 3 by 2. So additive inverse gives the result 0. When we add number and their additive inverse, we get the 0. In multiplicative inverse, when we multiply both number and multiplicative inverse, we get 1. Is it clear? So multiplicative inverse always give the multiply 1 and additive inverse always give the sum 0. Clear? I think there is 40 minutes meeting is over. 40 minutes meeting now is clearly complete. 7:39 is there.
Can you explain again?
So